so much for coming to this video. If you're new here, my name is Callie and I am the creator of Glazed Epoxy. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I did my Joy to the World tray for the Christmas season. I think it turned out so pretty. This was just a clear tray from Pier 1. It was normally like $40, which is like ridiculous for a tray like this with nothing on it, just a clear tray. But they were going out of business, so I think it was like 60% off. But just, you can take whatever you want and just kind of turn it into and transform things with epoxy. And I thought it would be so pretty to do a peekaboo on a tray, like with a holiday cute theme. So that's exactly what I did. And you guys, I think it turned out so pretty. I cannot stop with this glitter. This is Athena from Peachy Olive. And it's just like the most sparkly gold. Like I can't get enough of it. It's like the only thing I'm using on stuff. So yeah, I just think it looks so pretty and festive, because who doesn't love, you know, decorating and being festive for the holidays? So if you guys are interested in seeing all the steps that I did to get this Peekaboo holiday tray, almost said holiday 2, Peekaboo holiday 2, no, Peekaboo holiday tray, then let's get into the video. So here I'm just starting with that clear tray from Pier 1. I am going to scuff up the bottom of it with vinyl sand, just the very bottom. I don't want to do the sides or anything. You don't want to leave scuffs in that, but we're just going to take the vinyl sand and scuff up the bottom so our epoxy sticks really well to it. So I've done that, and you can kind of see it's a little cloudy since we did scuff it up. And the next step is to just tape off all the sides so that we don't spray paint on them, because we're going to spray paint this after epoxy, and I want the sides to stay clear. So just tape the sides really well and just leave a little bit of space at the bottom for your epoxy, maybe like 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch, just so you don't have, if you put it too low, your epoxy is going to go above the tape and then you won't be able to get the tape off. So just keep that in mind when doing the tape like this. Then I mixed up just a little bit of the DIY Artisan epoxy. I will have everything linked below that I used, that I can link anyways. I think I did 30 milliliters. You just want a teeny tiny, or did I do 15? I'm not even sure. You just want like a really small amount. You're just spreading it on so that we can do the glitter. Just make sure you spread it out, get all the edges, make sure it's just on there evenly, and just like a really, really thin layer. So then we're just sprinkling on. This is Peachy Olive Athena glitter. It's so pretty. Just sprinkling it on and shaking it around, making sure we get a good coverage on the whole bottom. I decided I needed more because more glitter always. Then just getting out all the excess glitter that didn't stick. So then once that was dry, I mixed up more epoxy. This was way too much in this thing. I think I was doing other projects as well, but just maybe like an ounce or two. and just pour that on. You just want a really thin layer, just clear. So just put that on, spread it out evenly, and torch so there's no bubbles. Then I did a second layer of clear just because I wanted it to be really nice and smooth. And if your glitter is still chunky, I would suggest sanding just a little bit and adding another clear layer. I think I sanded in between these two layers just a little bit, just so you don't have any high points of glitter sticking up out of it. Then the footage got deleted of me putting this on, but I put this on, used my silhouette machine, and cut that out. I'll have the file linked down below for you guys to download if you want that file. But then I spray painted. This is the scariest part about doing a peekaboo. I know it's like you don't want to spray paint over glitter. You feel like it's ruining it. But it's just something you have to do to get the peekaboo effect, and it always turns out really beautiful. So just spray away. I did a couple coats of this just white, flat white spray paint. And I also lost the footage of me peeling it off. So here's the finished tray. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you ring the little notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.